So here we have a Farberware 12-piece non-stick resin dishwasher-safe kitchen knife set. So this is a custom set which has the multicolors, which makes it stylish. Let's be honest, this is for someone who wants something different than a traditional stainless steel look or silver look. And it's usually college kids, young adults, and it also makes it easy, color-coded, to grab what knife you need. So you get everything you need in this set, from an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 5.5-inch serrated utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. So each one comes with a blade cover to protect the finish, and for safety reasons, easy to clean, super stylish, you can't go wrong.